If you're managing projects the same way you were 2 years ago, you're already behind. I don't say that to scare you, I say it because I've been in project management for over 20 years, and I've never seen a shift this fast. AI isn't coming for project managers, but AI-enabled project managers are absolutely replacing those who are not paying attention. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are changing how PMs work right now. Not hype, not theory. Practical tools you can open up after this video and start using today. And I'll tell you exactly how I use each one. Whether you're a seasoned PM with the PMP, someone working towards certification, or a business owner running projects on your own, these tools will save you hours every single week. I'm Stephen Blakeney. I'm a PMP certified senior project manager with over 20 years of enterprise delivery experience. I run 4E Project Solutions, an AI-first project management education and consulting company. I work with PMs and business leaders every day on exactly this stuff. Let's get into it. Claude is made by Anthropic, and it's the tool I reach for first every single day. Here's how I use it as a PM. When I'm starting a new project, I'll drop in my project brief and ask Claude to identify risks I might have missed, draft a stakeholder communication plan, or pressure test my scope definition. What makes Claude different from other AI tools is how it reasons. It doesn't just give you a list. It thinks through the problem with you. I've used it to work through ambiguous stakeholder situations, draft difficult sponsor updates, and even build out decision frameworks for my team. The if-then thinking Claude does is almost exactly what PMI expects from a PMP certified project manager. If the risk materializes, then what's the response? If the stakeholder pushes back on scope, then what's the right move? If you're preparing for the PMP exam, Claude is genuinely one of the best study partners available. You can throw a scenario at it and ask it to explain the PMI preferred approach, then quiz you on the variations. The free tier is solid. Pro plan is worth it if you're using it daily, which you will be. The next tool we'll take a look at here is ChatGPT from OpenAI, and it's probably the most well-known AI tool in the world right now, and for good reason. Where I use ChatGPT most as a PM brainstorming and stakeholder communication drafts. If I need to write a difficult message to a sponsor, something that needs to be diplomatic but clear, I'll give ChatGPT the context and ask it to draft 3 different versions at different tones: direct, diplomatic, and collaborative. Then I pick the one that fits the relationship and edit it from there. I also use it to quickly research unfamiliar domains when I'm brought onto a project outside my core industry. If I'm subtly managing a project in a sector I don't know well, I can ask ChatGPT for a fast briefing of the terminology, key players, and common risks in that space. ChatGPT also has a huge plugin and integration ecosystem. If you're already in a Microsoft environment, it connects well there. And the image generation through DALL-E is useful if you need quick visual aids for presentations. The free version works. The next tool we'll look at here is Gemini. If your team lives in the Google workspace, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Meet, Google Calendar, Gemini is the AI that plugs directly into that environment. As a PM, this matters because your project artifacts often live in Google Docs. Your meeting notes, your project charters, your status reports. Gemini can sit inside those documents and help you summarize, rewrite, or extend them without copying and pasting into a separate tool. I use Gemini for meeting prep. Before a tough stakeholder meeting, I'll pull up relevant doc threads, ask Gemini to summarize the outstanding issues and the history of the conversation, and walk into that meeting with a clear picture of where things stand. Gemini also connects across your Google account, so it can pull from your emails, your calendar, and your docs, and give you a synthesized view. That's powerful for a PM managing multiple work streams. If you're a Google shop, this is not optional. Get it set up. The next one we'll talk about is NotebookLM, which is also made by Google, and it's one of the most underrated tools in a project manager's toolkit right now. Here's the concept. You upload your project documents, your charter, your scope statement, your risk register, your meeting notes, your contracts, and NotebookLM becomes an AI that can answer questions grounded specifically in those documents. Not general AI knowledge, your actual project artifacts. This is huge for a few reasons. First, it means the answers are accurate to your context. When you ask about a specific risk or a specific stakeholder concern, it's pulling from your documents, not making something up. Second, it means anyone on your team can get up to speed fast. Got a new team member? Drop the project docs into NotebookLM, let them ask questions, and they're onboarding faster than any briefing document could do. I've used NotebookLM to build study resources for PMP candidates, upload the PMBOK, the Agile Practice Guide, a batch of practice questions, and then have a conversation with all of that material at once. It's an incredibly effective study tool. NotebookLM is free. There is no reason not to use it. The next one will be Fireflies.ai. How much time do you spend after meetings writing up notes, summarizing decisions, and trying to remember exactly what was agreed? Fireflies AI solves that problem completely. Fireflies joins your meetings, whether it's Zoom, Team, Google Meet, or any other tool that you may be utilizing, and records, transcribes, and summarizes everything automatically. After the meeting, you get a full transcript, an AI-generated summary, and a list of action items pulled directly from the conversation. For a project manager, this is transformative. Your meeting notes are done before you even close your laptop. Your action items are captured, your decisions are documented. I've talked to PMs who tell me they used to spend 30 to 45 minutes after every meeting on notes and follow-up. Fireflies cuts that to almost nothing. It also means your project has a searchable record of every conversation. 6 months from now, when someone says that was never discussed, you have the transcript, time-stamped, and searchable. The free tier gives you limited credits. The paid plan is worth it the moment you're running more than a few meetings a week. So let's recap. 5 tools, all available right now, all practical. Claude for thinking, reasoning, and decision support. ChatGPT for brainstorming and stakeholder communication, Gemini for Google Workspace integration and meeting prep, NotebookLM for turning your project documents into a searchable AI brain, and Fireflies for never losing a meeting again. Here's what I want you to understand. These tools don't replace your judgment as a project manager. Your stakeholder relationships, your ability to read a room, your experience knowing when a project is in trouble before the dashboard shows it. AI can't do that. What AI does is remove the administrative drag so you can spend more time on the things that actually require you. That's the shift, and the PMs who figure that out first are going to be the ones leading the most important projects in their organization. If you want to go deeper on this, if you're serious about building your AI skills as a project leader, I run a community called the 4E AI Leadership Hub. It's where PMs and business leaders come to learn AI without the hype and build practical skills they can use immediately. The link is in the description. Come check it out. And if you're working towards your PMP, the 4E PMP Accelerator is open right now. Fully self-paced, built around the if-then decision framework that makes the exam actually make sense. The link is in the description as well. Hit subscribe if you want more of this type of content. New videos dropping every week. Until next time, I'm Stephen Blakeney, and I'll see you in the next one.